Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to walk through with you how to make a database in Microsoft Access 2010. Well, let's get started. I hope you enjoy. Well, we're going to get started changing the file name into customer table. No, not customer table. Student table. Then this is in datasheet view. You're going to view and design view. We're going to save that as customer table. ID is going to be customer ID. Text. Description is unique identifier of each customer in a database. First name, text, customer's name, last name, text, customer's last name, age, gonna change it to number, customer age, gender, we're gonna change gender into text and then customer's gender. And then see for gender now we're gonna drop down box. So how are we gonna do that? You go into text box and then you change text box into list box, and then you change table query into value list, and then here you go female semicolon male. So what is that going to do is gonna, when you go into datasheet view and you press on gender, a drop down box should pop up. So you're gonna see it when we go into datasheet view. Got something, see here, field size, I have to change field size, and then input mask we have to write CUS hash hash hash. So what hash 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 represents is numbers like 001, 002, anything. First name just into 30, last name we're going to change into another 30, age not because it's number, gender I'm just going to put 15. So the field size represents that you can't get over 15 letters, like 15. Save it. I have to create another table called because you know you can do anything, so I'm just gonna do it for video store. So video table, and then pretty easy, video ID, text, description, so unique identifier of each video in a database. It's easy, just video name again, text, videos name, video type, no, so video, yeah, type, text, videos type, so type, so for video type it can be new, weekly, or release. So drop down box again, so it's going to be video type, table query, we're going to change table query into value list, and then value list row source is going to be new, release, semicolon, or weekly. So what is that going to do? It's going to do another drop down box to general again. It's going to be video name, video type, the duration, so how long the thing's going to go, the duration. This one's going to be just numbers, and videos duration, and then the video cost, forgot about that, no, not video cost. Alright, that'll do, that's it. And then we we'll change the field size. Video ID again 6. Input mask, so input mask is gonna change it again. Vid ###. Video name change it to 30. Video type another 30. Duration, you don't have to do anything. And then create a table again, and then change into design view. It's going to call it the invoice table. We're going to do invoice ID, text, unique identifier of each invoice ID in the database. Now we're going to get into another table. Now we're going to say the date of purchase because we're going to see what date the guy purchased the video. So it's going to be date of purchase. Here it's going to be date and time, and then it's going to be here, it's going to be short date. Yep. And date of purchase of the video. Now here for customer, it's gonna be customer ID again, ID, and make sure it's text, and gonna be now for the description is gonna be foreign key of the customer table. We're gonna include video ID, it's gonna be text, and then it's gonna be foreign key of the video table. Then we have to make sure that the input mask is the same. CUS 001 CUS, sorry, ###. Make sure it's the same for the video, so it's going to be video ###. What a customer ID represents here is what customer bought what video. That's why we put customer ID here and video ID here. So what customer bought the video and what type of video he bought. And then the invoice ID is going to be with ###. Then we change that to 6. Date of purchase not. Just put 30 in here. 30 in here. Now we'll save all of that, and now we get into filling out tables. Customer ID. See how CUS ### pops out here? Just have to put 001. First name can be anything, John. Last name Mills, John Mills. The age is going to be like 15. See how gender now here, if you press here, the drop down box will pop up. So just any, male or female. Again 002, we'll just include a girl in there. Melina. Gigs, just put 17 in here, and then we'll just put female, and then 03, we'll just put Steve Lee, 19, male. I'm just gonna do here only 3 customers for just now. You can do how many you want, but for an example of this, it's going to be only 3 customers. And now we go into video table, video ID. So video vid ###, that's what pops up. 001. Video name can be anything. Anyways, like Harry Potter. Video type again, new release or weekly, and just new release. Duration is 107. 107, it means 107 minutes. 002, Fast Furious 6. It's new release 114. I'm just making up the duration. Anyways, you can actually search for it. It's gonna be Spider-Man 3 new release 115. And then now we get to the invoice table. Invoice table is going to be 001. Date of purchasing, just anything. March, pick any. Customer ID, so 001 bought what video? So 001 bought video 2. So 001, which is John, he bought video, he bought Harry Potter. So actually he bought Fast and Furious 6. So see how actually it does it for you here. Then another 002, pick random, and then customer 002 bought video 001. So again, customer 2, so which is Melina, bought Harry Potter, which is the new release. And then 003, pick random date again, pick random, and then customer 3 bought video 003. So who's customer 3? Steve bought video 003. So he bought Spider-Man, which is new release. As you know, it's pretty easy to do these stuff, and then it's really easy to actually use Microsoft Access. If you want to make a relationship table, just go you can make anything really. Oh, there you go. So you can just press on customer table and then goes relationships, and then I'm just gonna make all of that in here, date, and then this, and then you just connect it all each other, like customer ID goes to customer ID, then enforce create. Sorry about that. Okay, just close it, make sure close everything, then customer ID into customer ID, enforce create. See how it actually creates it for you. Then video ID to video ID, enforce, bingo. So how to make a relationship? It's really easy. Just close everything, go into this design, and it says relationships, then drag customer ID into customer ID, video ID to video ID, and actually does it for you. So it's really easy to make stuff on Microsoft Access. I hope you enjoyed how to make a simple database into a video, video store. And then I hope you learned something from this video. Please like or subscribe. Thank you.